Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and what better to accompany your delicious steak dinner than the perfect baked potato? Today's video is sponsored by Thermopro. I have tried other wireless probe style meat thermometers before, and I can tell you that the Thermopro brand is definitely superior. I love that it comes with 4 different probes. They're all color coded so you can have a lot of different things cooking at once that you're monitoring. It also will tell you the internal temperature of whatever you're cooking and the ambient temperature. So for example, when my husband smokes brisket, he puts a probe in and he knows what the temperature is of the meat inside, but he also knows what the temperature of the air in the grill is so that he can adjust it accordingly as it's smoking. The Temp Spike Pro comes with a USB charging cable, so I was able to connect this right to my computer and charge it. And then you can either consult the screen for your temperature readings or sync this with an app on your phone. There's a Thermopro app you can download so that everything is completely wireless and right there in front of you on your phone. You can use my code AFR for 10% off your purchase of $50 or more at the Thermopro website. I'll leave all the information linked in my description box below. I don't know about you, but I love to eat the skin of my baked potato. So I'm always very careful to wash all of my potatoes thoroughly, get all the dirt and grit off the exterior and dry them before I bake them. Then I put them onto aluminum foil, drizzle each with some olive oil and rub it all over the surface of the skin. Then I'll sprinkle a liberal amount of salt. This was kind of the end of my kosher salt container, so it just sort of all poured out, but that's how I like it, nice and salty. Then I decided to use my Temp Spike Pro today to make sure that I was reaching the perfect internal temperature, which is 210 degrees Fahrenheit. So you push the probe in as far as you can so you're only seeing that colorful handle. And then I bake these at 400 degrees for about an hour, maybe a little bit over. Now I had to open my oven a couple times, which is why the ambient temperature on the right wasn't quite up to that 400 degrees. But when the internal temp of my potatoes reached 210 degrees, I knew that they were ready to go. From that olive oil, the skin was nice and crispy around the outside, and then the inside of these baked potatoes was perfectly fluffy. The sky's the limit with what toppings you choose for your baked potatoes, of course. I had a large knob of salted butter, a couple of scoops of sour cream, salt and pepper, and some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Thank you so much for joining me here today in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon.